Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to animate an object along a path in Framer using the great component that's developed by Framer University. You can see how the icon follows the star path, which results in a great looking way to present our content. I used also a scroll animation for each content card that creates this nice zoom out effect, which makes our content cards even more interesting, improving the experience. You can find the links for both the component and this file in the description below, so let's get started. Let's quickly check the most important element, animate along path component. We are seeing content as the first component property, which is basically the element that we are animating. In the first one, it is set to icon wrapper 1, as you see, which contains the icon of our first card. The item that we are animating doesn't have to be a vector, it can be anything, even an image. Scale property lets us transform the scale of the animated element. As you see, we can see a preview of it as we change on the canvas. One thing to consider about the element that we're animating is it needs to be placed out of the page, exactly like in ticker, slider, etc. components. The path property has some presets, as you see, like spiral, loop, wave, etc. But since we are using a custom path, I pasted its SVG code under that option. Let's quickly see how we can change our custom path. As you see, we have this ellipse as a sample path that I created using the oval tool under the vector menu. To change the path to be followed, I will right click either directly on the path or in the layers panel at left, hovering over copy option. I'm gonna click copy SVG. Then in animate along path component properties, I'm gonna delete the existing SVG code and paste the new one that I copied. Then when I press enter, you can see the path has been changed to the shape I copied. We can even preview our animation to see how it looks with the new path. The component options are pretty straightforward, but let's quickly overview the remaining ones. Show path, as you guess, makes the animation path visible, as we do here to show the star we are using. We have also direction of the animation here. Also, as we know from the loop effects that are included by default in Framer, we can set our animation to loop or to be played once, and the loop type to be either repeat or mirror. And of course we can set the easing and duration of the animation under transition option here. As you see, I set the duration to be 35 seconds with a linear ease to create a seamless animation loop. Therefore, our icon gets animated around the star path continuously without any change in speed or any pauses. And what I did to create other cards was just copying the first one, changing the content option of the component. As you see, we set it here to icon wrapper 2 to update the item to be animated. Let's preview our cards to see the animation again. Thanks to the animate along path component and its great options, we can enrich the way we share our content and create a great experience for our users, using also Framer's excellent scroll effects. Of course, without overusing them, making sure our content is still accessible and can easily be viewed. And that wraps up our tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.